Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about marquee tag in HTML. So what is marquee tag which is used in HTML? So the HTML marquee tag is used for scrolling piece of text or image. So it means that whenever you have some text or image on your web page and you want to make this image or text movable, then you can make use of marquee tag. So with the help of marquee tag, you can display either horizontally across or vertically down on your web page depending on the settings. So there are different attributes which are used with marquee tag. So one of them is behavior attribute. So what does behavior attribute does? So it is used to set the behavior of the marquee to one of the three different types. So you can provide the three different values to behavior attribute: scroll, slide and alternate. So by default the value is scroll, and you can make use of other two values. We will see in code how to make use of these values. Another attribute is direction. So direction is used to scroll your text to any of the one direction, maybe it from left to right, right to left, or upward direction, or the downward direction. Another attribute of marquee tag is loop. So what does loop attribute does? So it defines loop, like how many times your text or image will be moved. Like you can provide any value to the loop attribute. So let's check in code how we can make use of this marquee tag. So this is my marquee demo.html file. So currently I have provided heading tag. The content of heading is marquee tag demo. Another tag is paragraph. I have provided content to it. Another tag which we have used in this file is image. I have provided the image which is located at the same location where my code is. So I have provided the name of that file, my image.png. Another tag which we have used here is anchor tag, and I have provided content to it like click me. So let me first run this on browser. So see, currently I am able to get this, like heading is displayed, paragraph, and this image and one anchor tag. So what I want to do now, I want to move this heading tag. So with the help of marquee tag I can do this. So let me declare the tag here. So you need to say here marquee. So this is marquee tag, and you need to close it like all other tags. So this is marquee tag. The content of marquee tag is now this heading which has the content marquee tag demo. So if I try to save it and run now, let me refresh the browser now. So see, now our heading content is getting scrolled, like it is moving from left to right. So this is the default direction. So we have seen the attribute direction. So let's declare that direction now. And what I want to do now, I want to move it from right to left. So I will say here right. So see, now it is moving from left to right by default. Now we have provided the attribute direction right. If I refresh now, so see, now the text is moving from right to left. Another values for the direction attribute where, so we have seen left, right, up and down also we can provide for this direction attribute. So let's provide up. Now the text will move towards the upward direction. See, so it's moving to the upward direction. Another value you can provide here is down. So now the text will move towards the downward direction. Let me refresh the browser. See, now the text is moving towards the downward direction. So in this way you can make use of direction attribute with marquee tag. Now let's check another attribute which was behavior. So let me use behavior with this paragraph tag now. So let's say I want to use marquee tag here as well. So marquee, let me close this tag, and now I will use behavior, and let me provide the value of behavior. So the behavior attribute was having three values: scroll, slide and alternate. So scroll is by default. If you don't provide anything, it is by default scroll. Let me save this. We provide the value as well here, scroll. and let me refresh now. So see, our paragraph is now moving from left to right, and it will be in the similar way, like it is getting displayed totally, and after that it is again starting from the left direction. Now if I try to provide here, let me show here, if we have behavior, let's say behavior here is now alternate. So now you can see the difference for both this. Now let me refresh. Now see, both of them are moving from left to right, but the behavior for this heading tag is alternate, like it will be displayed till here and again it will move towards the left direction. But the another tag, which is the paragraph, which is getting totally displayed afterwards, it is getting invisible and after it's starting from the left direction. So this is the difference between behavior alternate and behavior scroll. So another behavior value was slide. So what does slide value will do? Let's check. Refresh the browser. So now see, it will come towards the right direction and it will stop here. See, now it is getting stopped. So in this way you can make use of behavior values as per your requirement. Another thing you can check here is loop value. So let's say we provide a loop and we say here 2 times. So what it will do, it will be moving from left to right 2 times. Let me save this, refresh. So see, now it is the first one heading is alternate, so it is behaving as expected, and this will move 2 times. So like loop we have provided 2 times. Let me refresh this. So now it should get displayed twice. So it's first time it is being displayed now, second time again it will be displayed, hi all, welcome to Code Crush Coding. Now it should stop. See, now it is not getting displayed because we have provided here the value loop as 2. So by default it is alternate. If you don't provide anything, then it will keep on scrolling from given direction. So this is how you make use of marquee tag. So let me do some things with the image tag as well. So in the image tag also you can provide marquee. So let's close this marquee tag here. And what I want to do now, I want to, and inside this marquee I can again provide the marquee tag. So we can make use of nested marquee also. So let me introduce here marquee tag again and close this marquee tag here, and here I will say direction as right, and for this marquee I will say direction as down. Let's see how it behaves. Refresh the browser. So let me, so see, now this image tag, it's behaving like right and down. It is going towards the right direction and also the downwards direction. So you can observe here it is moving from right to left and also the image is getting downwards. So in this way you can make use of nested marquee tag as well. So this was all about the marquee tags. We will see another topic in next video. Thank you for watching.